Hello friends, Krishna here. Welcome back to learn more about aromatherapy. Today we have another interesting topic. It is aromatherapy for baby coughs and colds. For baby cough and cold, I already spoke on aromatherapy for cold, but the same recipe we cannot apply on babies because babies are more sensitive. We all know. So we must select the essential oils more carefully. For babies, three oils we have to select: true lavender, tea tree and eucalyptus essential oil, and of course a carrier oil like jojoba or sweet almond. So we need three. I have three. I have in my box. I have here tea tree, I have, then eucalyptus and lavender. Lavender I have over here. Okay, it's a big bottle. Fine, never mind. And so we need these three essential oil. True lavender I have, tea tree, and this is true lavender, and then tea tree and eucalyptus. Okay. True lavender essential oil. I have this big bottle. See, lavender, if you are a beginner, buy small bottle, and if you know about little bit about essential oils, I always recommend to buy at least 100 ml. It is cheaper also, and it is more convenient to use also. Otherwise, definitely environment friendly. So true lavender essential oil is antiviral, antiseptic, and it kills bacteria. It helps to treat coughs, sinusitis and bronchitis. Tea tree, I hope you heard about tea tree. Tea tree is an excellent oil for clearing up infections. It's a very amazing oil. Actually, essential oils all are very amazing, but certain oils are too amazing, like lavender, tea tree, rose, sandalwood, clarices, bergamot, like this. And this is about tea tree. It helps for clearing up infections. Tea tree and true lavender and eucalyptus you must have in your home. Tea tree is also strongly antiseptic and bactericidal. It means it kills bacteria. Number 3 is eucalyptus essential oil. Eucalyptus essential oil is decongestant and expectorant. It means it helps to treat asthma, cold, coughs, pneumonia and scarlet fever. Since we have to make a blend of about 3 essential oils for the babies, we won't use too many drops, because for adults we are using, let's say, 20 drops or 25 or 15 drops, but for babies we have to be more careful. So 7 drops of each essential oil is enough. How to use it means we need empty color dark glass bottle. This is my empty color dark glass bottle I have, and in this over here in my this bottle, and I will add 7 drops of lavender. I will put here. Okay, this is more important so that it is more easy to take it out, the oil. 7 drops of true lavender and 7 drops of tea tree and 7 drops of eucalyptus. And lavender, as I always say, it is true lavender. What is true lavender? You have to read the botanical name. It is not spike lavender or it is not lavendine. Okay, so once we put 7 drop into empty color dark glass bottle, our blend oil for baby cough and cold is ready. Now, how to use it? You can add 1 drop. You can add 1 drop of this blend to baby's bath water and swish it around well. Only 1 drop is enough. See, for babies, do not try to, oh, my baby is very sick and I love my baby so much, now I will put 2 or 3, I want my baby to heal within 1 day. No, 1 drop is enough. Baby essential oils have strong therapeutic properties, so be careful. 1 drop means 1, don't make it 2. Okay, another way to use it, so what I was saying, that 1 drop of this blend to baby's bath water and swish it around well. Then another way to use it, put 1 drop of blend on a tissue paper and put tissue paper safely under the, you have to put it under the bed sheet of the cot. Okay, please do not put it near baby or near baby's face. Baby is too sensitive, the baby will feel irritated, skin can get irritated, so you have to put it under the sheet, bed sheet. Then for massage, when this oil is there, for massage what you can do is you have to add 2 drops for massage, 2 drops of this into 30 ml of jojoba oil. Again, jojoba is a carrier oil. Please watch my previous video about what are carrier oils. So generally for adults it has to be more than 7 drops, it can be 10 drops also, 12 drops also, but for babies 2, please, 2 means 2, don't make it 3 or 5. Okay, so 2 drops of this into your carrier oil jojoba for massage. And once this is ready, so where do you have to massage? Massage gently on baby's chest and back, not here. We can do, for us, we are grown up, our skin is less sensitive, we can apply here also, not a problem, but chest and back. And do not continue the treatment for more than 1 week at a time. Like if you are continuing for 1 week, then after it stop, because now that is not a good idea. Then you have to change it, and maybe you need to change the treatment, or you have to go to the doctor. And absolutely 100% you cannot depend on essential oil that, oh, my baby is not getting well, so I will keep adding more essential oil, I will wait for 1 more week. No, you can go to, maybe there might be some other problem also. Yes, so you can also put 1 drop of blend oil. This is blend oil. You can put 1 drop into vaporizer also. So this is all about baby coughs and cold aromatherapy, I told you. So I hope you find this video helpful. You are always welcome to post comments and suggestion, and please be careful, especially for this video. I am telling you, when you have to add 1 drop, add 1 only, when 2, add 2 only, and do not continue for more than 1 week, because there can be many complications, and there may not be one particular reason for a disease. So always consult your aromatherapist and doctor. You can also email me at mysooraromatherapy@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. See you again with another interesting topic.